Hi everybody, welcome here. Today we are going to talk about the body language for students. I'm going to give you 5 tips how to be a better student, not a knowledge-wise, but how to be better socially. How to make teachers like you so they will help you during exams, during tests and stuff like that. Because in the school, it's not only about knowledge, it's also about being a good person, and when you are a good person, you will do better at school. I'm a living proof of that. I wasn't the most clever one, but yet I was one of the 2 best people in my class when I used to go to school. So this is going to be like micro series. In the first episode right now, I'm going to give you 5 tips how to be better at that, and in the second episode I'm going to tell you my own experience with it, how I managed to be one of the best students, mostly because of my social skills and not my knowledge. So I hope you're looking forward to that. Let's dive into. Before we start, I'd like to say something. If you have any ideas, any questions, what should I talk about in the videos, please send it to me. There will be an email in the description and in the video as well. You can send it to me on Instagram, Martin. I'll be very happy getting your ideas, what you will be interested in watching on my channel. And then I hope you will share the video, like the video, comment on the video, so I know that you enjoyed the video, and let's dive into. So the first point is give them respect. Give teachers respect. They are all human beings, and the basic human need is to be respected. When you can get them respect, they will give respect to you. You need to find how to show respect to each individual, because we all are receiving it a little bit different way. We all require something slightly different. So be attentive to what each person needs and make sure you will give it to them. I'm not talking about extremes, but you have to use your head and use your wisdom to do it. So the first point is to give them respect. Point number 2 is to nod. When you are in a class, you are listening, you are maybe not listening, it doesn't matter, nod. When you are making eye contact, which is also like a sub point of this, or it could be point on itself, so let's consider it point 2.5. Make an eye contact and nod. This is the sign of paying attention, being there with the teacher, and it's important for them. So not even if you are not listening. Make sure you will make it an automated kind of behavior that you are nodding when someone is speaking. It pays off. Mark my words. Third point is be confident. Everybody needs to see that the person standing in front of them or sitting in front of them is confident. Make sure that you are not going to be arrogant. No, everybody hates arrogant people, and especially when you are in a position of power and someone below you is arrogant. You want to kill that person, so don't be arrogant, but be confident. Stand your words. Be authentic, and it will bring their respect to you. So be confident, have a confident body language, speak confidently, and that's the point number 3. Point number 4 is rather similar to the point number 3, and it's being authentic. Being authentic means that you have your own opinions, you have your own theories, and you stand for them. You are willing to discuss it, but you are not making the teacher feel like an idiot, and you are just 2 adult people having a conversation between authentic people. You can express your passions. You can talk to the person, to the teacher, as he is on the same level, and it will provoke in a teacher the level of empathy, and they will want to help you because they will see the sparkle of life in your eyes, and it will remind them of themselves or someone they want to encourage to be better in their life. So be authentic. It's the number 1 in everything, also in being better at school. So fourth point is to being authentic. It's very important. Remember that. And the fifth point is obey when it's necessary. When you did something wrong, you need to express that you regret that. You need to express that so they will forgive you. It's kind of a little bit of cheating, even when you are not feeling sorry for what you've done. You need to express it so everything goes as it is supposed to go. Showing submissive behavior is very important for apologizing, and it's usually needed in school. I know it from my own example. And when you know how to show regret, how to show submissive body language, it will help you a lot in a lot of examples. And it's also part of being authentic and being confident. So think about all these 5 points. They are super important when you want to be better at school. And how to apply them now. There are some exercises. Think about it. Write down your theories on it. Think about how to apply it, and then try to change your behavior this way. You can do mental training. You can sit down, close your eyes, and imagining what is it like to be like this. But you have to put an effort in training that. And if you want to know more about training it, let me know. I can do a video on it, but I will need your response on this. So that's it for now. I hope it has been helpful. Please share the video, like the video, comment, let me know what you think. I'll be very happy talking to you, and see you next time, guys. Next time we'll be talking about my story, how I used the social skills to get better grades during my final exam at high school. That's it. Bye.